Hi friends, welcome to Studies with Joy. So our today's topic is ninth standard English chapter number 2.5 The Autumn, written by Kalidas and translated by Professor A.W. Ryder. So it is a very beautiful poem. इसे बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल पोयम है। एक ऑटम है, ये एक सीज़न होता है। वो इंडिया में नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट इन इंडिया बट इट इज़ देयर इन डिफरेंट फॉरेन कंट्रीज। सो इन दिस सीजन इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एज इन इंडिया देयर इज विंटर before winter the time before the winter and after the rainy the time little time this different season comes that is like in India it is very beautiful. In that way only in other countries the autumn season is very beautiful, and it is written by the Kalidas, the great Sanskrit poet, which who had composed this poem in Sanskrit, and the Professor A.W. Ryder had translated it into English. So he is very well known for his translations of Sanskrit because he was knowing Sanskrit and he has translated it. Okay. So before starting, please like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button. And so share the video with your friends. Don't skip this video. We are going to enjoy and I will surely hope that you like this video. मैं अपनी best explanation देने की कोशिश करूँगा. So let's start with our poem. I will explain you line by lines, each line and also each word meaning also I will tell you. The autumn comes a maiden far in slenderness and grace. Here maiden is a girl or an unmarried woman जिसकी शादी नहीं हुई होती उसे maiden बोलते हैं. Slender means slim. So the autumn has been compared as a girl, an unmarried woman जो कि एकदम सुंदर, which is very graceful, beautiful and very slim. ऐसा होता है ना, उससे उससे कंपेयर किया गया है. With nodding rice stems in her hair and lilies in her face. So वो अपने साथ नॉर्डिंग राइस स्टेम्स लेके आती है. जो जब दूसरे कंट्रीज में ये सीजन आता है ना तब लोग इसका बहुत इंतज़ार करते हैं क्योंकि ये सीज़न में ना क्रॉप्स बहुत अच्छे से ग्रो करते हैं. और फिर जब फार्म्स में जब विंड आती है ना बहुत ज़ोर की, और जब सारे क्रॉप्स एक साथ शेक करते हैं ना वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल साउंड भी आता है और एकदम नॉड करते हैं. सो दैट वे ओनली शी इज़ नॉडिंग like her rice stems in her hair and lilies in her face. Lilies are very beautiful white flowers. In flowers of grasses she is glad, and as she moves along. So flowers of grasses she is glad. Glad means to dress up. So वो flowers और grasses को dress up करके आई है. And as she moves along, birds greet her with their cooing glad. Like a breathless tinkling song. ऐसा माना जाता है कि वो सीजन के टाइम पे ना बर्ड्स ना एकदम अच्छे से गाती है, एक अच्छा साउंड, स्वीट साउंड में गाती है और वो लोगों को बहुत पसंद आता है. ऐसा माना जाता है कि बर्ड्स वो ऑटम सीजन को एवरी ईयर वो गा के बुलाती है. और या उसे वेलकम करती है. इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टू हियर दैट. यू जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस इज सीजन जिसे एक अनमैरिड वुमेन से कंपेयर किया जाता है. Very beautiful it is. You can just imagine about it that how beautiful it is. उसे एक अनमैरिड वुमेन से कंपेयर किया जाता है. Now second paragraph. A diadem adorns the night. जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ था ना वो था ऑटम के बारे में, ऑटम का डिस्क्रिप्शन डे टाइम में. अभी ये सेकेंड पैराग्राफ नाइट टाइम के बारे में बताता है. A diadem adorns the night of multitudinous stars. Her silken robe is white moonlight, and she is set free from cloudy bars. अभी उसका नाइट में कैसा होता है एटमॉस्फियर वो बताया जाता है ऑटम के सीज़न में. ऑटम के सीज़न में स्काई को ऑटम का फेस बताया जा रहा है पोएम में. और वो स्टार्स के क्राउन, डायडम मीन्स क्राउन, क्राउन यानी कि ताज, वो स्टार्स का ताज पहन के आई है. सो ब्यूटीफुल ना, जस्ट इमेजिन इतना सुंदर लगेगा वो. and set free from cloudy bars. So there are clouds on her face, and on her face एक बिंदी की तरह एक radiant means beautiful moon is there, uh, bewitching, and on her face the radiant moon bewitching smiles are shown. She seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown. So वो एक उसे देखकर लगता है कि वो एक ब्यूटीफुल अनमैरिड वुमेन है जो आगे जाके जल्दी ही एक वुमेन बनने वाली है. So it is very beautiful. And we end the poem explanation here only. It is a very short poem and very beautiful. It is telling us about the autumn's writer, and autumn's ideas, and autumn's beautiful beauty. Okay, and in India also there are many seasons: summer, monsoon, winter. These are the three main seasons. Just let's talk about it also. I will, I'm just telling you some sentences about our seasons also. In monsoon, the new grass sprouts. In monsoon, there are sudden showers and hailstorms, which people don't like. And in monsoon only, tender leaves shoot out on plants or trees, very beautiful leaves. In winters, trees blossom. In winters, the migratory birds means that those birds who go from one place to another and come back in winter. We see mist in the morning. Mist means fog. देखते हैं ना. In summer, the sun shines brighter than before. Huh? It is very beautiful. I will just tell you some personification sentences. Just like the weary car was also petrol hungry. Understand what is the meaning? कार को भी पेट्रोल की भूख लगी है. The tireless machine hummed as it worked hard. मशीन टायरलेस होने के बावजूद थक गई. Wow, what a funny sentences. Na? The playful wind whistled among the trees. That's all funny sentences. The playful wind means it is telling us the wind is whistling. I mean, now let's see the questions based on this poem. Why is autumn called a maiden fair? Answer: the autumn is called a maiden fair because she walks with grace and tenderness, which is an attribute of a lady. So autumn को ऐसा बताया जाता है क्योंकि autumn के season एकदम एक लड़के की तरह कंपेयर किया गया क्योंकि it is like with it comes with grace and tenderness, which is an attitude of a lady. Why is autumn called a maiden fair? हमने देख लिया क्योंकि वो एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली आता है. What is the cooing of birds compared to? Answer: the cooing of birds is compared to a bracelet's tinkling song. ब्रेसलेट ना हम लोग हाथ में पहनते हैं तो वो जब ऐसे थोड़ा सा घूमता है ना हाथ हिलने के बाद वो ऐसे मस्त एक साउंड आता है, उसे ब्रेसलेट टिंकलिंग साउंड कहा गया है. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ डज ऑटम ड्रेस अप एट नाइट? आंसर: the autumn dresses up in a silken robe of white moonlight and wears a diadem means crown of multitudinous stars at night. So autumn एक ताज stars का ताज पहन के और एक beautiful silken dress पहन के ड्रेस करती है नाइट में. Now let's go to the English workshop questions. First is find three lines each that contain images of nature in the autumn season. So हम लोग को ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम के तीन लाइन और ड्यूरिंग नाइट टाइम के तीन लाइन ढूंढने हैं. ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम के तीन लाइन है. विथ नॉडिंग राइस स्टेम्स इन हर हेयर, in flowers of grasses she is clad, and third is birds greet her with their cooing glad. At night a diadem adorns the night, her silken robe is white moonlight. Third is and on her face the radiant moon. Now let's go on forward to the next question of English workshop. Let's go on forward to the next question of English workshop. If you want to copy, you can copy, but this is a reference. You can add your own lines of paragraph 1 for daytime and paragraph 2 for night time. Okay. Next question is pick out words from the poem that describe the following. List them in column A. Substitute each of those describing words with another word or phrase of the same meaning. So we have to we substitute the words given in first column with the poetic words also, and with our your own words. So I have given my own words. You can also write your own words. This is only a reference. The autumn. Poetic words, a mage in fair. My words, a beautiful lady, graceful young girl. Stars, poetic words, multitudinous. My words, innumerable. Moonlight, poetic words, white sets free from cloudy boughs, and my words, lucent, unclouded. Cooing of birds, poetic words, bracelets tinkling song, my words, a bell's tinkling sound. Okay. Now let's go to next question. Find one example of each of the following from the poem. Similarly, I have taken my example. There are more also. I have taken birds greet her with their cooing glad. One more is there. Like a bracelet's tinkling song is also similarly metaphor. Her silken robe is white moonlight. That is metaphor. One more I will tell you. The autumn comes a maiden fair. So here the autumn is compared to a maiden. So it is also metaphor. Now let's go to next question. It is write the rhyme scheme of the poem. Answer. The rhyme scheme of each stanza is A B A B C D C D. I will tell you first stanza ka rhyme scheme. Fair, fair A, grace B, hair A, fair hair, grace face, glad, glad, a long song. So इसे alternatively है इसलिए A B C D C D ऐसे आ रहा है. Think and write in your own words. Why is the Madam Autumn said to wear rice stems in her hair? Autumn is the season of harvest. Hence, the Maiden Autumn is said to wear rice stems in her hair. Okay. So, next question. Let's see. How can the tender maiden, how can the tender maiden Autumn become a full-grown woman? What change in nature does this imply? So, I have given you answer for it. The tender maiden autumn is a in a youth is beautiful, happy, vibrant, and energetic. As the tender maiden grows, she changes into a full-grown woman who has reached fulfillment and maturity. This implies to the changes that occurs in nature and the weather as autumn season changes into winter season. The vibrancy, the beauty, and energetic atmosphere with the cool breeze changes into a chill, dark, dull, and a serious atmosphere of the winter. This was the answer. Next, last question. In, why do you think birds greet the autumn season gladly? Answer is autumn season brings with itself vibrant colors and ripe fruits. Berries and nuts cover the trees, thus providing ample of feeding options for the birds. This could be the reason for the birds to greet the autumn season gladly. So autumn अपने साथ berries और fruits grow करता है, इसलिए वो birds के लिए खाना अच्छा बनता है, इसलिए शायद birds उसे greet करती है. Now I have given you the appreciation of the poem. It is in paragraph wise. You can also convert it into point wise. It is very easy to convert it. I will read and explain. The poem Autumn is written by Kalidas. The main theme of this poem is the poet's beautiful description of the advent of autumn season. The poet has compared the season of autumn to a graceful maiden who has beautified herself in many ways. The rhyme scheme is A, B, C, D, C, D. Alliteration is an example of figure of speech. In the line, she seems a slender maid who soon. This there is repetition of the sound of the letter S. The special feature of the poem is the imagination of the poet and beautiful imagery. He has described autumn in a very beautiful manner and compared it to a woman. My favorite lines are, and on her face the radiant moon. Bewitching smiles are shown. She seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown. I like the poem because of its beautiful imagery. You can make it as point wise also. Thanks for watching. We complete this topic here only. Please like and subscribe and also share the video with your friends.